Hello guys, welcome back for another video of service reset my car. Today I'm gonna show you how to service reset a Skoda Citigo manually. We did some service and the inspection light on the dashboard flashes. So I'm gonna show you how to service reset that. And before we start, our YouTube channel is Service Reset My Car. Join us by subscribing. It helps us to develop more videos. And we always feel happy when people join us. If you like our videos, give us a thumbs up, please. Okay. First thing we have to do is turn the ignition on, turn the ignition off. Then there's a button over here. Yes, press this button. Turn the ignition to the second position. You see the inspection light is on. Let go this button and press again. And as you can see, now we can check it. The inspection indicator doesn't show up anymore. Okay. If you have any questions about those other cars, you can always ask me on the comment area. If you didn't subscribe yet, subscribe to our channel. I have over 100 more cars listed in my videos. You can check them all. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up. Thanks for watching. See you with another video with another car next time. Bye bye.